It's not. Might have to consult the map. Oh, hang on a minute. It might be down here. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. There it is, up there. Again, phone lines. It's over there somewhere. God, it'd be cool to film this, you know. There we go. Alright, Siren E. I've got that wrong actually, it's not north of hospital. We are currently at the one north of hospital. This one here. Alright, so this might be a little bit difficult to film because it's inside the hospital somewhere and I don't want to be arrested. Alright, next one is E. I'm starting to tick them off so I'm starting to get confused here. Mike Lima 118 Romeo Romeo. I thought that's what we typed in before. It's easy to find. Let's go. Really want that siren behind your house? Well, if you like sirens, I guess the answer would be yes, but imagine that going off at 2 in the morning. There's always telephone wires in front. I wonder if one of them... Oh no, it's not. No, they're power cables. Where are we going? Yeah, right. Right, as I said before, this could be a little bit dodgy to film. So I don't know where the siren is. I've got a rough idea where it is, and I don't want to be hanging around outside. But this coming up here is called the State Hospital, and this is where all the sirens are presumably triggered from. Well, would be. If someone escapes. Oh, there we go. Right, I might have to do some zoom-ins here. See if I can find it, but it may be a failure, this one. Oh, siren, where are you? Is that it? Might be. It's quite far away. Don't think that's it. That's a light. Another light. That's another light. What's that? Don't think so. Okay, another angle. This is dodgy. I don't feel right doing this. I think it's sort of like beyond the hospital. I'm not hanging around for this one for too long. This could be a failure. I don't think I'm going to find it, but there's another chance, because down here comes out the other side. I think this goes down to the next one, which is a station. I'm going to have to type in the postcode. I don't know where I am. Oh, there's another view from here. Let's go along a bit further. I ain't going to find it, am I? But you never know, you never know. Still a chance. Oh my god. They're probably looking at me, thinking, what the hell is he doing? That's the railway line. God, look, if someone could escape and get on a train. It's going slow enough. What's that? I've got a brand new camera. This has got a 30 times zoom on it. A little compact camera is pretty good. But it's quite far in the distance now. Nope. Next one. Carstairs train station. Here we go. So, postcode is 1 mile.
The route guidance will start now.
Carstairs Junction. There's no one around.
In 1/4 mile, turn left onto St Charles Avenue and then turn right.
There's a station. Where exactly is it, the station? Never know, might be able to see it.
Turn left now and then turn right.
This is the one that should be here somewhere. But I was unable to find it on Street View. It should be here. Right, I'm going to have to park up for this one, I think.